Is Volvo Roadside Assistance free? If you are a Volvo owner or thinking about becoming one, you might be curious about whether Volvo Roadside Assistance comes at no cost. Let's break it down so you can understand what to expect. Volvo Roadside Assistance is typically free during the warranty period of your new or certified pre-owned vehicle. This usually lasts for 3 to 4 years, depending on where you live and the specific warranty terms. During this time, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that, if your vehicle experiences a mechanical or electrical breakdown, you will receive help without any additional charges. This complimentary service includes towing your Volvo up to 25 miles to the nearest authorized Volvo dealer or Volvo certified collision center. The service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ensuring you have support whenever you need it. After the initial warranty period, you may still receive free roadside assistance if your vehicle has been regularly serviced at an authorized Volvo workshop. However, if the roadside assistance agreement has expired, or if your vehicle has not been maintained properly, you might be responsible for any service costs. For those looking for more extensive coverage, Volvo offers an upgraded program called Volvo Roadside Assistance Plus. This is a paid membership available once your complimentary coverage ends. For an annual fee of around $99.99, you can enjoy additional benefits. This includes towing up to 100 miles, tire changes, battery jump starts, lockout assistance, and even trip interruption coverage, which can help with meals and lodging if you are stranded away from home. From the perspective of auto insurance, having Volvo Roadside Assistance can complement your existing coverage. Many auto insurance policies also offer roadside assistance, so it is wise to review both your insurance and Volvo's services. This way, you can avoid overlapping services and choose the best combination for your needs. In summary, Volvo Roadside Assistance is free during the warranty period, typically 3 to 4 years. It includes 24/7 towing up to 25 miles to authorized service centers. After the warranty, free assistance may continue with regular maintenance. For more benefits, consider the paid Volvo Roadside Assistance Plus program. This service works well alongside your auto insurance coverage, providing you with reliable help on the road.